Hey you guys, what's happening? I'm Rachel here with vicrez.com, and today we have two rear diffusers for our 2015 to 2020 Dodge Charger vehicles. Now these two diffusers have the exact same style, but with completely different fitment. And I'll explain what I mean there with that in just 1 second here. But here in front of me, we have both vz101705 and vz101818. You'll notice that based off of face value here, they have the exact same appearance. Diffusing fins down the back and around the underneath, evenly spaced, same OEM satin black finish. But the kicker here you see is the fitment. Yep, the fitment between these two are entirely different. With vz101705, you will find perfect fitment nearly across the board, from your 2015 to 2020 SXT, 392s, Scat Packs, and Hellcats. But there's one trim that this diffuser will absolutely not fit, and that's where vz101818 comes into play, as this rear diffuser here will only fit onto 2015 to 2020 Dodge Charger RT models. So for those of you driving around in a 15 to 20 Dodge Charger RT, thinking about picking up a new diffuser, this one right here, vz101818, is for you and you only. So one might be left to wonder, why would an American muscle performance car that was designed to be aerodynamic need a rear diffuser? Well, the primary purpose of a rear diffuser is to efficiently increase the downforce of a vehicle. This means there's gained grip and reduced drag coefficient, which, when taking into consideration the 470 horsepower that gets cranked out by the Dodge Charger Scat Pack model, surely this seems like a pretty good idea. As a vehicle is driven down the road, air will pass underneath the vehicle at a low pressure and high speed. As the air travels from underneath the vehicle towards the rear, it will then pass through the diffuser's expansion chamber, forcing the air to expand. This expansion will cause dramatically reduced airspeed, which will literally force the overall air pressure to increase, a process that we know today as the Venturi effect. This difference between the low pressure air under the car and the high pressure air at the rear of the vehicle creates a literal vacuum, sucking air out from underneath the car. The high pressure air above the car and the low pressure air under the car creates the additional downforce that you're gonna need when traveling at high speeds, cornering those tight turns, or navigating roads that require unrelentless traction from your tires. However, please be advised that Vicrez recommends professional installation by an accredited automotive body shop first and foremost, especially before suggesting or recommending any DIY or self-installations. And more importantly still, we ask that you please be sure to test fit all new aftermarket products prior to installation, especially before painting or any permanent modifications of any kind. But that looks like it's gonna wrap it up here for us today, guys. So do yourself a favor and hit that like button below. Stay tuned for our videos coming out next week. Just make sure you head on over to our YouTube channel and subscribe. You'll be the first to get the 411 on all of our newest product releases. If you're looking to get deals, sales, promotions, and discounts sent directly to you, head on over to vicrez.com. Make sure you sign up to our weekly newsletter.